I will be talking about oral care for toddlers. I hope you saw my previous video on oral care for babies. In order to maintain the oral health for toddlers, it is essential that the oral care begins right from when they were babies. So by now, as toddlers, they know that oral care maintenance and brushing is a daily routine for them. So it is advisable for the toddlers to brush twice a day using a fluoridated toothpaste. Also, begin flossing once all their milk teeth have erupted, that is around 3 years of age. In terms of brushing technique, I have given a previous video on how to brush your teeth, but that's more for the adults, where there is a sweeping motion on the toothbrush being kept at 45-degree angle. For toddlers and children, you can teach them something called as phones technique. It is nothing but moving the brush in circular motions. Make big circles in the air, and as they come close to the mouth, make smaller circles. And then also to brush their biting surfaces of their posterior or the back teeth in back and forth motion. For children and toddlers with special care needs, who has dexterity problems, spastic children, or children with learning disabilities, or children who are being taken care by caretakers, we would recommend this battery operated toothbrush. I hope you found this video to be useful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll come back with more videos. So until then, take care. Bye-bye.